a video on how to walk you through the steps if your Cricut is acting up. And I guess I better leave it over here. If your Cricut is acting up, they're aware of it, but I followed these steps and it cleared it up to where I could use my Cricut again. It's been down for like 2 days, haven't been able to get much done, so I wanted to come on really quick and show you what I did to help you clear yours as well. Now you can go to help.cricut.com and you come down and they have some steps here. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your Cricut account is closed. So I'm going to go ahead and close mine completely on out. And then I have a Mac, so I had to follow the instructions for a Mac. So you click on Finder, and let me pull this over here. Okay, so then you Finder, and then go to Applications. And then once you go to Applications, you're then going to go to Utilities and then to Terminals. So Utilities and then to Terminals. All right, so then it has this little box here with some symbols and signs. We're going to hit Enter once to get a new line. We're going to go back to this page and we're going to copy and paste this one line and put it in there. So we're going to copy it and then we're going to come over here and then we're going to paste it. We put it in there and then you don't do anything else. You just close it out. All right, and so the next step tells us that we need to hit Option Control key and then click on the finder box here to do launch. So we're going to do Option Control and click this all at once, and then there's our relaunch box that pops up. So we're going to click the relaunch. It takes a couple seconds and then your screen will blank out and then it'll come back in, and then you're going to go to the next step, which tells you to go to your remote disk. Now this is where I had the most trouble because I couldn't find that on my screen in my accounts. So as you can see, it's not there. And I was like, oh my goodness, I need to find that. So when I come in, it's really talking about this, the Macintosh HD. So if you can find this and you know where it is, this is what it's asking you to click on. So we're going to click on it and see now our page looks like their page. All right, so it asks us to go to Downloads and then go to User. All right, so we're going to click on User, and then you pick who you are. So whoever you are on this line, you're going to pick it. So I'm just going to pick Store, and then you're going to go and find Cricut, which is right here, Cricut Design Space. You're going to go to Local Data, and then you're going to take both of these, you're going to highlight them, and then you're going to bring them to the trash. All right, so let me take you back to the steps. These are the steps we did. We went to Cricut Space, we went to Local Data, and then we highlighted the two and we put them in the trash. Then all we have to do now is go to our Cricut, open it up, get a new document, pull it up. Let's just pull up Mickey and Minnie just for the sake of this tutorial. And voila, it's working. Now mine a lot of times would freeze at this point, so here it is. I can minimize them, I can pull them in, pull them out, and it's not freezing. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Please hit that subscription button as well as the notification button, so as I come find out these little gems that are like super duper helpful, I can pass them on to you and you'll be notified. That's it, folks. Have a good day.